Greetings everyone, once again, this is Joseph here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I haven't made a video like this before, and I've done other types of videos, but never uploaded them because I just haven't had the chance to upload them, and I just haven't seen the purpose in making these videos until now. But I'll go on and let you know, I'm a big How to Train Your Dragon fan. I've watched all 3 of the movies. I was able to sneak a early showing on the 2nd of February for the 3rd film, and I'm going to go see it again in 3D, hopefully on the opening night, February 22nd, 2019. But with that said, I went to Walmart today and I picked up something that I thought would be nice to add to my collection, and through the next few weeks, you'll hopefully be able to see more product reviews for these limited edition collector's items. So some of them I'm going to leave in the box, other ones I'm going to take out and actually review them. This one being a case that I'm actually going to take out of the box and I'm going to enjoy it. So without further ado, let me go on and show you what I picked up today. So here he is, a Toothless figure. He's my favorite character from the franchise, so sure enough, I'm going to be sure to get my favorite character first. I'll be sure not to spoil any of the parts of the movie. I'll just show you what the model is, and if you're watching the video, you already are basically getting some subliminal spoilers, but I won't go into them in much detail. But as you can see, he's no longer got his black fin, his red fin that Hiccup uses. He doesn't have his saddle. So, I want to show you the box backing. And you have several others. I could get a Razor Lip, a Stormfly, Whispering Death, Barf and Belch, Hook Fang, Monstrous Nightmare, which is an extra one. And then I'm definitely going to get one of these. I'm going to get his companion. I'm going to get the Light Fury at some point. But I thought this would be just something that would be neat to have as a desk collectible, something that could sit on my desk. So let's go on and see if I can take him out. I'm going to cut this security strap right here on his back, and that should help us get him out. Yep, simple as that. So he just slides right on out. So let me put you right here on the tripod, and there he is. So it's simple as that. Here he is. I'll put him down. Cute little fella. Definitely very decorative. So here he is. He is about 6 inches in length. And that tail, I will not kid you, that tail is one of the selling points of this figure. So the wings, they can be adjusted up or down. The legs adjust, so you can move his feet up, down, left, right, yada yada. But I want to try and keep him somewhat to his original form. His head can turn, but that's the figure. I thought I'd go in and show him to you. Here's the bottom part of him, just so you can see. Here's how the bottom looks, and here he is, face up, and I'll grab him by the tail so you can see him as if you were actually looking at him with your own eyes. They have several other models of this character, but they have him with like glowing wings, and some of the wings are made of fabric. But I thought I'd get this one because I thought it would look pretty neat just to have him sitting over on my computer desk in the other part of the room. But hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you liked it, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Catch you later.